Introducing GoPxL, LMI Technologies' 3D measurement and inspection platform. This walkthrough prepares you for acquiring a surface scan, including how to set up scanner acquisition settings. Navigate to the System category. Click on the Alignment page. Find your encoder resolution if you are using your own scan bed, stage, or conveyor belt. If you are using an LMI scan bed, input encoder resolution at 0.00134 millimeters per tick. To use time as a trigger, match speed to your scan bed speed. Click on the Scan page. The Scan page controls your global scan settings, meaning if you have multiple sensors, this controls all sensors together as a single sensor group system. Scan mode allows you to select whether to acquire an image, profile, or surface scan. Image mode is used for diagnosing exposure or examining spots or data points closely. Profile mode acquires a 3D profile scan of your target. This can be done with a stationary or moving target. Surface mode acquires a 3D surface scan of your target. Your target must be in motion for this. Click on the Scan Mode tab to expand the panel. Select Surface Scan. You also have the option to turn on Acquire Intensity by checking the box. Intensity acquires a black and white image laid over top of the 3D point cloud. Intensity images are used for contrast-based measurement and inspection. Turn on Enable Uniform Spacing by checking the box. Here, we enable uniform spacing because our measurement tools require subsampling for repeatable measurements. Next, expand the trigger panel. Select Encoder as source when you are using a stage, scan bed, or conveyor belt equipped with an encoder. With encoder as trigger, we set spacing to 0.06 millimeters as a starting point. After the first scan, we adjust this value up or down depending on the desired spacing between the y-axis data points. Now set surface generation type to fixed length. Leave start trigger as sequential. Input the expected length of your scan area. Make sure that the travel distance of your scan bed is equal to or more than your surface generation fixed length. Now click on Exposure to open the panel. Input your desired exposure in single exposure. Now you are ready to acquire scan data. When using encoder as a trigger, click Start Scanning first and start our scan bed movement. Ensure the distance your scan bed travels is equal or more than the fixed length you set earlier. Turn off scanning when you're finished. When using time as a trigger, start your scan bed movement first. Click Start Scanning, then turn off at the end of the scan bed travel. Ensure the distance your scan bed travels is equal or more than the fixed length you set earlier. You can save a recording by clicking on the record icon before you start scanning. Turn off record when you're finished by clicking the icon again. You've successfully acquired a scan using GoPxL. Now you are ready to start applying measurements to your scanned data. Welcome to GoPxL, LMI Technologies' measurement and inspection platform.